What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's episode, we are installing a 3D printed ZR1 style wing that I randomly found on Facebook. I'll show you guys in a minute. As you can see, we're in the process of wide bodying the car, waiting for a couple brackets to complete that. But meanwhile, I wanted to show you guys the spoiler I got. Now, it doesn't look really good all pieced apart, but hopefully by the end of the video you guys are going to see that it looks pretty cool. So this is what came. It was ridiculously cheap. If anyone's interested, at the end I'll give you guys a link, but basically it consists of these 5 parts. There's a clear piece, these 3D printed little things that hold it together, and this piece right here, and that is going to be riveted into the ZR1 replica style kind of lip that we have to make it look a lot more aggressive. I know a lot of people that, you know, they usually already have these on their Corvettes, and this is just pretty much an add-on spoiler, which is why it's so very cheap. If you were to buy the ZR1 lip and this, probably won't be worth it, but this is for the Vette owners that probably already have this and want to make it look more aggressive. Anyway, let me push the car forward and start installing. Stay tuned. So you're gonna need 2 drill bits, 9 by 32 and a 1/4 inch drill, or something close to this. The first step is actually to align the center section kind of as perfectly as you can in the middle, and drill a hole for that hole and that hole. And then you're also going to need a riv nut tool. The company actually, it's not really a company, I think it's just the person that makes them, as you can tell by how these riv nuts come in a little baggie, but I don't mind, it works the same. You're going to need a riv nut tool. Mine is about 5 minutes away from Amazon, but you could also buy it from the guy as well. It's like an extra 15 bucks. So I'm going to make those 2 holes right now, and then hopefully by that time a riv nut tool is going to come in and we're going to start installing this back glass section. Our riv nut tool came in just in time. We're going to use the 10/24. Never used one of these before, actually, surprisingly. Actually, I did briefly on the BRZ wide body install, but this is a whole different type. So yeah, let's install these riv nuts and test fit this back glass piece. Not gonna lie, I had to watch a YouTube video just to be safe. So we got a riv nut in, I'm sure. Here's what it looks like. And now we're gonna do, I'm actually gonna put this one in and make sure that this aligns perfectly. If anything, we might have to re-drill this a little bit. Alright, install the second set of riv nuts. And yeah, time to actually install the little glass piece. Alrighty, time to install the part that actually looks semi-decent. So it goes on here somehow like this, like that. So you start on the outside, you put a riv nut here, 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 and then you kind of push it in here and one more over here, which gives it that more aggressive ZR1 look. So I'm going to start locking the holes, same thing, doing a point drill and installing the riv nuts. Let's go. Alrighty, so this side is done. This whole section was really hard to bend. Not really happy with how it turned out. I might have to pull out that riv nut and redo it. And I also painted it over the riv nuts a little bit, and I'm going to do another coat. I don't really like when they're exposed. I know it's kind of bad visibility here. It's nighttime in the garage, Tomorrow during daylight, I'm gonna pull the car out and actually show you guys the final product. But this is what this side turned out like. I'm gonna do the other side real quick, and then we're gonna snap right to tomorrow, showing you how it looks. All right, it's the next day. I pulled the car out, finished installing it. I actually had to get a different type of screw over here because the rev nut didn't hold up here. I had to get a bigger one. But here's what the spoiler looks like. Here's what it looks like when standing from the back. All right, yeah, that's pretty much it for the spoiler. My honest opinion is I give it about a 6.5, 7 out of 10. I really didn't expect it to look great for the price and it being 3D printed, but I wanted to try it out. I'll probably get something more aggressive down the road, but this is just a quick and easy install. I'd say it probably takes an hour and a half if you just kind of take your time and measure and do everything correctly. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned for the finish of this wide body Corvette. Like I said, at this time I'm waiting for parts, but the completed video should come soon. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.